Hello, and welcome to the myNORD video series. In this video, we'll take a look at our different documentation tools. The serial number documentation tool is found in the right column of the myNORD suite. Here, you can search for a unit by entering its serial number or by scanning the QR code on the nameplates of newer reducers. This tool displays order details on the left side of the screen, including product type, ratio, and lubrication information. On the right side, you can download manuals and other documents for the unit. If you need tracking information for a recent order, use the order tracking tool in the third column of the myNORD suite. This tool lists all orders associated with your company's account, showing the order number, purchase order number, number of line items, order status, and order date. Expanding an order reveals pricing details, product information, and shipping status for any lines that have already shipped. For delivered orders, you can also download the invoice for a full breakdown of costs. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our online documentation tools. If you have any further questions about these functionalities, please reach out to ebusiness.us@nord.com.